Hey, let me show you how we can connect your JBL Live 770 noise cancellation headphones into the mobile application. So first of all, you will have to turn on your headphones by using this button. You will have to slide it like that and wait until this indicator lights up. Let me just catch focus. There we go. So this indicator lights up. Now we have to click on this button and we have to wait until this indicator starts blinking. Then we have to open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device and select the JBL Live 770 noise cancellation. Accept pairing request, and in the next step you will have to navigate into the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS devices, and you will have to download this application, JBL headphones. Then when it's downloaded you will have to open it and you will have to just wait for this welcome screen. Now accept terms and conditions and any other permissions that will pop on your screen. When you connect these headphones by using standard Bluetooth settings, after a few moments we will be just connected with this application. So if it is not working, you can actually try to click on your headphones, like in my case, but still for some reason it's not working. So we can just close this application and try to open it one more time. You have to be sure that your headphones are actually turned on. And now, as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. Okay, it's another bug. So let's try to close it and open it again. If it is not gonna work, we can click plus right here and try to select our headphones. So we are searching for the Live 770 noise cancellation. It looks like that we have to actually enter for the pairing mode again. So tap on this button. Now we can go back from the application, close it. And I will actually recommend you to simply forget them, because there's some kind of the issue. Probably you are already connected, but sometimes there's this issue that you have to try to fix this by manually connect this device into your phone. Now we have to go into the Bluetooth, try to connect them, accept this pairing request. Now let's go back into the application